So we have BA English in Education, and these are the courses you have to register. You have all of them as important courses, so that's why you have 24 here. Expected to register and pass them. You can see 3 credits units cost 2,500 for the registration. 2 credits is 2,000. Sum them up, we will be having 1,000. Sorry, we're having 3,000, which include 1,000 for exam registration. Is a flat fee until you graduated. Is 1,000. Exam fees are 1,000. For each course you'll be registering, you will also register them for the exams. And they sum up to these amounts here. Course registration is also for payment for the textbooks, also known as course materials. So for the first semester, 100 level, you'll be paying a compulsory fee of 36,000. It's a standard. So add it to the payment for the course registration, so you'll be having 70,000 to pay for the first semester, 100 level. Then second semester, the same 100 level. These are your courses, and you are expected to register all of these and pass them. You can still see 3 units remains to 5. You will not register any 4 units, but 4 units courses is 3,000. However, even if it's 3 units and it's IT or teaching practice or teaching practice or any project, is 10,000. And if it's your final year project, is 15,000. That's the standard in now. As you go, you will know more. So these are your fees for registration or for the course materials or textbooks, and then you register each course for exams. Sum these up and you will get these totals here with 18,000. The compulsory fee reduces as you go. From second semester 100 level, it becomes 18,000 until you graduate. 18,000 every semester until you graduate. That's the first fee you pay before you register, before you are even allowed to register these courses. So if you sum these two up, you have 45,500 as your fee for 100 level second semester. Okay, then you have 200 level first semester, and these are your courses. You're expected to register all of this and pass them. If you are a DE student, direct entry student, you have to add GST 107 to your courses, which will make them 22 units. You have to add GST 107. It's compulsory for direct entry students. So you have these fees to pay. There is an error here. You can see 3 unit courses appear twice and it's still 2,000. It's supposed to be 2,500. So 1,000 is missing from this. So if you add it, you have 46,000 as your fee. It's not 45. Look at this error here. You have 46,000, which includes 18,000 compulsory fee and the cost of course registrations. Then 200 level second semester. These are your courses. 19 units in total. You can still see the error reappeared here. 500 is missing, so you add it here. It becomes 45,500. So you're expected to register all of this and pass them. That's why you say 19 of 19. So sum this up, you get 45,500 as your second semester fee for 200 level. 300 level, these are your courses, which includes a teaching practice with 3 credits units. However, the fee is 10,000. Yeah, it's very important. It's not examinable, so you don't pay for exam fees. So sum this up, you'll be having 55,000. It includes 18,000 compulsory fee. Although there are 25 units courses this year, only 19 is required of you. If you could pass 19, that's it. Even if you register all of them, you don't have to rewrite whichever one you carried over. If you have 3 electives, you may register 2 or even 1. You're expected to pick one, or mainly one elective each semester. So we have 300 level second semester, and these are your courses. You have a non-examinable course here, which is an error. You're not supposed to have this 1000 here. So you have to remove 1000 from this total fee here. Post-teaching practice evaluation is not examinable. There is no exam for it. You have to write your experience on teaching practice. That's what it requires, and submit. In that case, you have paid extra if you pay for 3000. Not bad. You have the money. Okay, it doesn't expire. Your money does not expire in the portal. You can use it in the following semester. Okay, so we have 400 level first semester courses here, which includes the second teaching practice. Let me see that. Same 10,000. Okay, it's not examinable, and these are your fees to pay for first semester. 400 level, which includes 18,000 compulsory fee. 48,000 naira is your fee. It's your total fee. Then 400 level second semester. Here you are. A research project of 4 units, 15,000. Even if it's 6 units, it's 15,000. That's the cost of registering a project in NOUN. You have a very few courses here. There's about 6 of them. You're expected to register and pass on. So even though you have registered up to 180 credits units, you are expected to pass just 160 and you are a graduate. It's like 160 and that's enough. If you're a direct entry student, then 120 will do the magic. 120 is enough.